Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT on Discord. To start, open your Discord application. Now head on over to a server. On a server, go to server settings and then click on invites. Then in here, click on create one on the middle corner to create an invite. Now head on over to integrations and then click on webhooks. Then tap on the button that says new webhooks. Scroll down and then try to create a new webhook. Then in here, click on copy webhook URL. Now open your internet browser. On your internet browser, search for ChatGPT bot. Then in here, click on the link that says discord.bots.gg. Select the one that says ChatGPT-Discord bots. Then in here, click on the button that says invite this bot. Now open your Discord application once again. Now head on over back to your internet browser and wait for the website to finish loading. Then in here, on Add to Server, select the server on which you wish to add this bot. Then click on Continue, and then it should now be invited to your Discord server. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.